Today, we'll talk to you about setting up a toddler Montessori environment in your home. If you look, you'll see that we have included one shelf of baskets where we've taken a few of your children's toys and placed them into their own containers. The first one might contain Legos, the second magnetic blocks, a truck, and some construction blocks. The second shelf has our Montessori materials. Most of these materials are sourced from your resource pack or put together simply from objects that you have at home. Let me tell you a little about the way we've set up our activities. On the top shelf, we've chosen 3 practical life activities. A simple whole hand transfer with a posting box, a spooning activity, and a basket of different boxes for open and shut. On the next shelf, we have some sensorial activities, including some of the resources from your pack. The pink tower, the nesting dolls, and the second colour box cards. And on the bottom shelf, we have our binomial cube puzzle, matching cards, language cards, and introductory counting from your resource pack. A cloth placemat and an activity for your toddler put together from anything you can find at home. Big, small, big, big, small, small. After you've worked with the Matryoshka doll resources, you can look around at home. Here I found my IKEA fruit basket. Biggest, smaller, 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 smallest. I can take my colour cards and ask my child, this is pink. Which fruit is pink? Can you show me the pink fruit? This is purple. Can you put the card with the purple fruit? It's up to you to extend and get creative. Here is a very simple activity for your active toddler. Have you ever noticed that toddlers love to move heavy things? A jug filled with some coloured water and of course super glued with the cap on the top makes a great heavy object for the child to move around from place to place. You can tape with masking tape rectangles on your carpet or on your floor and set it up as a game for him to move from place to place. And don't forget, on those days when everyone's had enough and those meltdowns occur, there's nothing better than a quiet time sitting and reading together to give you and your children a chance to regroup. The Very Cranky Bear by Nick Bland. In the jingle jangle jungle on a cold and rainy day, 4 little friends found a perfect place to play. Moose had marvelous antlers, and Lion a golden mane. Zebra had fantastic stripes. And sheep, well, sheep was plain. None of them had noticed that someone else was there, sleeping in that cave was a very cranky bear. Roar went the cranky bear. Roar! Roar!